I'm at BELoW and I will show you guys what's new inside, and stay tuned. Let's go inside. And we haven't come to BELoW for a long time and see. Nice. They got $5.
Oh, look at these balls.
USA,
Oh wow.
Argentina.
Any magic ball? Mr. No.
Mexico. Alright,
I
let's
love
go
Mexico.
inside. Let's go inside. Amiibo. Ooh, can we find Amiibo in here? Our favorite Amiibo? Can you find Mario Amiibo? Mission start.
I don't think they have any more. No. I don't think they have any more.
And look at this kisses. This is $4. Small, so cute. And look at this Porky, Toy Story 4. That's huge. That's cute. Hey Porky. $5. That's very nice. And look at that. This is, I believe, a speaker. Bluetooth speaker. And this is other toys. Flying. That's cute. Unicorn puppy. That is cute. And here's the blanket for Frozen 2. Frozen 2. $5. That is great. Oh, look at that. Olaf face. Wow. Look here. It's a lot of gingerbread house. That's cool. Hershey's, Haribo. A lot of cool stuff in here. And here's all the gingerbread house for Frozen 2. Hershey chocolate. Kisses. Look at that. This is the Dollar Tree. It's only $1. Go buy a Dollar Tree. And look at that. Here's a lot of books, a lot of art. Kid will love that. Awesome. Shrek. Shrek, so cute. I love that movie, Shrek. I watched them all. And look at all the books and basketball. That's good. That looks good quality. And all the books. Sorry, my phone was, moving around. And look at here's Barbie doll. And look at this suit. So cute. Frozen 2 characters. Elsa. And look at that. A lot of Barbies. All the Frozen 2. That is cute. $5. I like those. Look at that, unicorns, so cute. Oh, this is cute. Little pony, that's cute. And other helicopter, other like flyings you can control. Oh, look at this cute beer boat. $5, 10 plus. That's cool. And look at that, lot of toys. And look at this, Mickey Mouse, $5. This is Avengers. That's so cute. Captain America. Wow, guess what we found? Usually Nintendo stuff is over $10 or over $5. Wow, $5, but this is not Amiibo. So, but have Yoshi with the egg and Luigi with the fire plane and with Mario with stars. And look at this, lot of cool. And they got some Hot Wheels. And they got a lot of cool stuff. And this is Lion King. Look at this Hot Wheel.
$5.
That's cool. This is some blocks pieces. This is domino pieces, $180. This is good. Oh, look at that. Genie. A lot of cool toys, huh? LOL. Cool. Oh. Here's. Oh, you can make your own forky. Cool. This is cool. And this is ball. Frozen. This is little skateboard. This is old-fashioned game. Best fun. Here is some card game. Emojis. This is puzzles. This is Minecraft. And this is the Lion Kids. A lot of toys. Voodoo. Swap switch. It's me, $5. And figure, mini figure, potato head. This is potato head. This is for cars. Frozen candy. Wow, look at this lot of puzzles. Look at this elephant, small football. So tiny, 49ers. And
For his $5.
matching games. And look at that, a lot of slimes and a lot of different things, a lot of different like puzzles or small gift idea, but a lot of slime I found out. Wow, crystal jewelry making, and look at that, a lot of jewelry making for the girls, and glitters, and the other DIY. Oh, look at that, Hershey's ice cream maker. That's cute. I didn't see it before. And look at that, so cute eraser. Oh, $1. That's so cute. And look at the cute diary. I love that. That's so cute. And Elsa, small paint, and other you can hook on your books, bags and stuff. And look at this, so cute jelly. Oh, you can color them too. That's so cute. Look at that. This is 20 colors. $5. Wow, great deal. And look at that. This is perfect for travel. I saw a Dollar Tree. You can get from Dollar Tree, but probably a different game. But I rather get from Dollar Tree. And look at that, Toy Story 4. And look at the headphone. Look at that, we found Hot Wheel. Yoo-hoo! We love Hot Wheel stuff. Ina found it. It's about $5.99, so it's about $6. So if someone loves it, that would be great idea. Or birthday gift or holidays will be great. A lot of different characters. You should check it out. It's really cool and really great price. I was amazed. And look at a lot of games stuff. And here's Nintendo. Look at that. Nintendo holder, a stand, we call. And this is a silicone cover for the game controller, console. And look at here. Only frozen. Look at a lot of jewel. $5 for rings and necklace and bands and pins. And look at this nail. I wish I can use that. And look at that. This is so cute. I love this. Lot of different cool, and you can put the say friends forever. And look at that. Lot of puzzles, lot of frozen stuff. A lot of stuff was already gone too, so you should check it out. And look at t-shirts. Oh, look at the character. So cute. You can choose design. You can see 1, 2, 3. And look at that. Pringles with the roast turkey. Of course, limited edition. I love Pringles. So we got one. Was tastes like half and testing. I was okay, but my kid loved it, so that was good. And look at a lot of Asian snack. And this was porky. We call pepero in Korean. And different flavor like green tea, almonds. And this is almost similar, but it's different way. And this is choco shroom. We call choco songi. And we used to love it when we were young. And a lot of different snack. You should check it out. There's a lot of cool stuff in there. There's very neat. And look at that. A lot of chocolate. I love chocolate. It's $5. And look at I found carnival funnel cake, pitcher, and mix. That's cool. It even looks like carnival funnel too. That's cute. I love that. That was $5 only. Look at that.
All I see is that though.
Yeah. Ooh, what is it? How much is it?
It is
I think perfect for cruise.
$5.
Yeah, candies. I've never seen it before. And dropped. Oh, this is cool. Candy burger. Candy pizza. Candy noodles. Candy donuts. That's cool. Looks like real pizza box. That's cool. Cute. Oh, it's jelly, basically. It's candy. That's cool. And look at this. That's so cute. Perfect for stocking stuff or something someone really like. Cool stuff. Oh, so cute. 귀여워, huh? Guess what I found?
Monopoly?
$7. This is making cotton candies. Like tumbler. Candy cane wishes. It's cute. A lot of cool stuff in here. Cool ornament. A lot of great characters in here, huh?
That's Snoopy.
Wow. A lot of puppies. A lot of cute pajamas and sleeping socks. Cute pants. $5.
All the stuff is better quality, just
A lot of cool stuff. A lot of t-shirts for $5. Graphic t-shirts. And look at that. That's so cute. Lips maker. That's so cute. That was $5. Looks nice. Very nice. I love that. A lot of makeups. A lot of different makeups, skin cares, mascara, lipstick, and lip gloss. Shadows and brush. A lot of makeup stuff. I will take a better video next time. There's a little glitter. And look at a lot of perfumes. And look at that. That's cute. And small shoes. Sneakers. I should say sneakers. And look at that. It's so cute. I'm in charge. Yep. And this is $5. This is all the frozen stuff. And look at that hand sanitizer. Perfect for the kids' school backpack, especially cold season. And this is other LOL and lot of stuff. And look at that, Frozen 2 for the board game. That is so cute. And look at this art thing in the bottom. A lot of balls, $5. Wow, a lot of stuff. A lot of volcano, a lot of art and puzzles. And so cute. And here's the BTS. Love yourself. And look at here. And keychains. Look at different themes of this one would be great for the cruise. But I believe price was about $3 to $5. So I will just go with Dollar Tree. And it's 100 games in here. That is great deal. I'm at BELoW and a lot of cool stuff, and you should check it out. A lot of characters for $5 is a really great deal. See you next time.